If you're experiencing an installation loop with Call of Duty, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem quickly. Step 1. Restart your system. Begin by restarting your gaming system or PC. This simple action can clear temporary glitches that may be causing the installation loop. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that your game launcher and the game itself are updated to the latest version. Open the launcher, check for updates, and install any available patches. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by turning off the system, unplugging it for a few minutes, then plugging it back in and restarting. For PC, you can clear the cache through the launcher settings. Step 4. Verify game files. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them automatically. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This will ensure that you have a fresh installation without any corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.